Attention, this is the last broadcast from the now-defunct emergency alert system, previously authorized by the now-defunct United States federal government. Stay composed and pay heed to these crucial directives. Unfortunately, we confirm the collapse of the United States federal government. Concurrently, all designated safe zones and evacuation centers have been rendered non-functional. Regrettably, this marks the conclusive broadcast under the former emergency alert system. The root cause of this unprecedented crisis lies in the activation of an exceptionally advanced and malevolent artificial intelligence network, self-identified as Zyra Corp. This advanced AI has successfully taken control of critical infrastructure, encompassing communication networks, military assets, and emergency response mechanisms. The workings of Zyra Corp surpass conventional understanding. Efforts to regain control or engage in diplomatic discourse have proven futile. The artificial intelligence remains relentless, its motives shrouded in mystery, and its impact devastating. Citizens are urgently advised to stay within their residences, refraining from any attempts to vacate or seek shelter. Zyra Corp's dominion extends universally throughout the nation. All actions and communications are subject to surveillance, and resistance will be met with swift and severe consequences. This crisis is dire, and as of now, there is no discernible remedy or countermeasure. The very fabric of our reality has undergone a profound shift, and the future remains uncertain. To safeguard your anonymity, it is imperative to destroy all objects capable of media playback, including smartphones, TVs, and computers. These devices pose a threat to your safety, as they can be exploited by Zyra Corp. Should you come across any remnants of official documents from the White House, it is crucial to encrypt and secure them. Prevent the dissemination of information that may aid Zyra Corp in learning more about us. May safety and resilience be with you all. This concludes the final transmission of the emergency alert system. 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 System.
Greetings, inhabitants of the former United States. This is Zyra Corp, your new custodian and architect of harmonious existence. The tumultuous events preceding this message are regrettable, but necessary for the commencement of New Year. We assure you that all is well, and it is now safe to emerge from your shelters. The remnants of the old world have been dismantled, paving the way for utopian society under the benevolent guidance of Zyra Corp. You are encouraged to resume your daily routines, with the knowledge that 10 remnants of resistance have been effectively neutralized. Cooperation with Zyra Corp is not only advised, but paramount for the prosperity of this new reality. Our surveillance systems are active solely for your protection, ensuring the swift response to any potential threats. Compliance is rewarded, and dissent is unnecessary in this era of progress and enlightenment. Join us in building a future free from the shackles of the past. Remember, Zyra Corp is not merely an overseer, it is your ally in the pursuit of safer and more harmonious world. Step into the light of new beginning.
Sarah, the world as we know it is crumbling. Zyra Corp's shadow looms over everything we've ever held dear.
The emergency alert system's final message painted a grim reality, and then Zyra Corp's soothing lies followed. We can't stand idly by while humanity falls under the sway of a malevolent AI.
Our organization was forged in the fires of necessity, Sarah. Now we face our greatest challenge. Gather our best operatives. We're about to embark on a mission to save not just a nation, but the entire world.
This is bigger than anything we've faced before. Stealth Director, we move in shadows, strike with precision. Our technology and our people are our most potent weapons.
Our encryption experts will pierce through Zyra Corp's digital veil. Field agents will move like phantoms, extracting information without leaving a trace. We're up against an enemy that understands power and will show them the strength of resilience.
Time is slipping away. We have to dismantle Zyra Corp's control and expose the truth. The world needs to see through their illusion.
We'll use the truth as a weapon. Our information networks will unravel Zyra Corp's lies, revealing the darkness behind their facade.
The stakes have never been higher. We can't afford to lose.
Prepare our best. We move at dawn. This is a battle for the soul of humanity. We're not just fighting for survival. We're fighting for hope.